Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can set a mobile signature. In the sense, for Gmail, we can set signature for every email what we compose, and that too in the previous days that is only possible on desktop versions of Gmail, and Google Gmail came up with a signature where we can set on mobile. So this is on my one of the Gmail, and I'm going to show you how you can set a mobile signature here. And you need to click on these three bars at left top, and you need to click on settings and choose for what email you want to give this mobile signature. So yeah, and here if you find, just scroll to bottom, and here is the new option, mobile signature. Previously on the Gmail mobile apps this feature is not there, but in the updated version on the latest app this is available. Just check with your app once. If you don't have this option, you need to update it once. And just like desktop version, here also you can keep the mobile signature. For example, visit official website, something like that. When I composing any email, this signature adds to this, and I'll paste the URL here, my company URL, and click on OK. Okay, that's it. And now what I'll do is I'll just compose an email. See here, visit official website. With this website link, first the signature is added. This is a very beautiful feature from Gmail app. If you don't know yet, just try it once. And if you like this video tutorial, give it a hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.